Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. In this video, we're going to be reacting to another comedy section from Patrice O'Neal. This time it is from the Elephant in the Room clips, so 2011. So I'm not sure, but I'm sure we're gonna enjoy this based on what I saw the last time. All right, without any further ado, let's get this party started. Let's go.
What you gonna do? Look. My days are numbered, so I just want to have as much fun as possible. You know what I mean? I'm 40, and that's young in everyone else's years, but in Black years, high blood pressure,
Look to yourself, right?
diabetes. I am. If you do the black to white life ratio, I'm 177-year-old. I'm old as a motherfucker. I'm old. And I want to live, but here's why I messed up. I messed up my young years, and I realized something. I'm gonna tell you, if you're over 40 and you're trying to better yourself, just stop. You're not gonna better yourself. And when I say you're not gonna better yourself, I mean better yourself like go back to when you try to capture the things you used to do when you supposed to have did it, but you didn't do it. You feel me? So the stuff that you were 18 and didn't do, now you're 40 and you're going, I'm gonna make a change. It doesn't make me sick more than somebody 40 and say they in school. Like, what you doing? I mean, I'm going to school. You're never too young and never too old and never too... All a bunch of sayings. You know, the older you are, shut the fuck up with your old horse shit. Because it ain't... You're old. Your brain don't work. Your body don't work. You can't change your ethic. There might be two of you that changed your ethic. Like these fat people shows that on TV where they got people, as soon as that show is over, get fat again. Big, fat, fats. Fatty, that's what you are. I went to exercise recently and I tried to change my life and exercise. After I finished, I was saying to myself, I gotta do this tomorrow. Like nothing changed. That shit got a lump. I don't care what it was. Something should have changed. Nothing. And I gotta keep doing this until maybe I see a change. But I just can't. I don't have that ethic anymore. I should have did it when I was 18 years old. Like I can't type. But I didn't realize how important typing was till right now. I fucked off all my good typing years calling people gay who was going to typing class. This is like me and 6 other dudes. Like, what you doing? You want to be a secretary? What the kind of pussy? Man, come on, man. Let's go steal bread. We used to go steal bread and lunch meat from the supermarket and make sandwiches and sell them during typing class. And now I can't type. If you can't type and you try to be in a world with people who can, you feel irrelevant. You stop, you know? You say hello to some woman on the internet, hi, and she come back with the 7-page memo, like, hello, whap! We were like, really? For real? All those words? You saw me type, hello. And I yelled it, evidently. In big letters, it was saying hello. Really? Seriously? You think I said, hello? Hi, bitch! Hi! Is that what you think I did for real? Yeah? Really? You just send smiley faces. That's all I do. I know smiley emoticons. I love those. Like I can't spell, if I had to spell restaurant to this day, right? To save my mama's life, like if Like if somebody held my mama hostage and had a gun to her head, it says, spell restaurant. You know, I'm gonna shoot your mother in the head. I'd be like, I would look at my mother like, I love you. She'd be like, look at me, Mom. She's crying. Understand that I love you with all my heart. Stop stalling, nigga! Okay, all right.
Oh my gosh.
All right. R-E-S-T. Oh my God, here's where it gets. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's a rescue, stew, Rowan.
Oh my days. It was funny. It was funny, actually. It was funnier than the first one of his I saw. Yeah. It's got good jokes. I like that. It's funny, isn't it, in terms of when we decide to do things that we should have done a lot earlier, whilst there is no time limit in when things are meant to be done or achieved by, it is always better if we follow certain routines and create certain structures around ourselves, because the sooner you get used to that routine and get used to that structure, the better it is long term. Because just like it is hard, or rather, just like it's easy to create a difficult or unhealthy routine, it is just as easy to create a beneficial routine. So if you don't start that early, it can definitely become very, very tricky to break out of the previous one. No, but that was good. That was good. Oh my goodness. Spelling. In this day and age, you just use autocorrect, isn't it? So for somebody that doesn't even know how to spell before, imagine now that everything is done by autocorrect, how difficult it is to build your spelling or improve your spelling. It's just crazy, isn't it? No, that was good. I think he's good. Definitely need to check more of his stuff out. All right. If you like what we're all about, please like, subscribe, and join our community. Until next time, you guys make sure you look after yourself and you stay safe. Peace. Bye for now.